Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate in-house. First, select premium cocoa beans, as their quality significantly impacts the final taste. Next, roast your beans carefully to unlock their rich aromas and flavors. After roasting, you'll need to winnow them, separating the brittle husks from the valuable cocoa nibs. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth, delicious chocolate base. Once you have your cocoa nibs, the next step is grinding them into a fine paste. A melanger or stone grinder works best for this, slowly breaking down the nibs. As the nibs grind, add your sugar and any other desired ingredients like cocoa butter or vanilla. Continue refining for 24 to 72 hours until the chocolate reaches a silky, smooth consistency, free of any grittiness. Tempering is essential for professional-looking chocolate with a beautiful shine and a satisfying snap. This process involves carefully controlling the chocolate's temperature. First, heat your melted chocolate to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, cool it down to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, and finally, bring it back up to 88 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise control stabilizes cocoa butter crystals, preventing bloom and ensuring a perfect texture. After tempering, it's time to pour your liquid chocolate into molds. Choose any shape you like, from bars to small bonbons. Let the chocolate set completely at room temperature or in a cool, dry place until it's firm and easily releases from the molds. You've now created your own delicious homemade chocolate. Don't forget to check the description for links to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your handcrafted treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.